Today is Friday. Uh, 5th or 6th of September. Here is Princess Cove, the Marina place. Uh, okay, still in progress. Construction. Okay, all the construction workers are waiting for the site supervisor to arrive to start their work. Now it's 7:20. Hey, hello. Okay, 7:20 early morning. There. There. It is Johor Causeway Bridge. Okay. Look at all the cargo trucks. Okay, cargo trucks. Okay. Cargo trucks okay, coming from Singapore into Johor. And then later to other parts of Malaysia if whatever's been downloaded in Singapore PSA port. Okay, look. 47 years of Andy Kim 顺便教你们这种cargo logistics 下了okay. Look see, now it's very early 7:20 only. Okay. Singapore and Johor sea streets very busy. The traffic so busy, bustling with life daily. All the cargoes, all the car. Okay, Chinese idiom 川流不息OK， OK， 海峡两岸我们也是新加坡柔佛海峡两岸。OK， 这里就是 Princess Cove INF Properties Condominium. Here is the musical theater. Okay. See. Yeah, the sea streets. Okay, let's go and take a walk. Whether is it possible to shoot some of the sea streets on that side? Because I think the musical theater opera house almost completed already. Or is it 3/4 finished? Because they never clear up that deck yet. Okay, this is called R&F Marina Place. Okay, here. It's stretched to the right side. Okay, let's take a walk and see how the completion of the musical theatre of South Malaysia, Johor, Princess Cove is getting how much completed with how many percentage left to release. I don't think can start Never mind don't kanchiong Okay, don't rush. Okay, the owners and developers of South Malaysia, Johor, Princess Cove. Okay, don't rush. Stable, 在 okay? Stable, 在 very good. Walao, I love this place so much, In Chinese, they call it 海滨 Really 海滨, Wow, you look at the sea streets. Over that side. Go. Come. And Kim is using a Samsung Tab S2 to shoot South Malaysia, Johor, Princess Cove, R&F property condominium. Look, the sea street that side, Singapore. There. Is it blocked? There. This is the Singapore passport checkpoint. Oh, the cafe already operates. See? Cafe already operates. So early, got people already sitting here. The cafe already operates. I didn't even know. Okay. Later the lift is here. I'll take a lift down to see. It's very early. Okay. 7:25 on. Okay. Da, da, da. Oh, you see that housing board flats of Woodlands is just across South Malaysia, Johor, you know. See? Look, here. Later, I go nearer. Okay, then the see the Malay workers, young workers are off to work already, carrying the harbour sack. See, as early as 7:25, the young Malays living in Johor. See, already off to work. The security guard of Princess Cove is this uniform. Selamat pagi. Okay. See? Wow. So, see here, Woodlands Housing Board flats. That side OCBC Bank is here. That side is Singapore Tuas industrial estate already. Okay, you look okay. You look at the cargo trucks. Now it's Friday 7:25 a.m. Okay. Look. Look at the cargo trucks going into Singapore. See the sea straits 那新马两地海峡两岸Okay, look at the opera house. Okay, look at the opera house. The sea straits is so calm lah. Look at the sunrise. Let's make it a bit darker. Such a nice orangey sunrising color leh. Look at the golden sunrise, you know, on the sea straits of Singapore and Johor. Oops! Wow, but so carefully, just nearly drop off. Later, all these yachts they call it Marina Yacht. I'm so touched, you know. 哇，我真的很感动哎，可以这样拍哎，你知道吗？哇，实在有够力哎！它又叫什么富丽公主湾哇，真的是够力哎！又富裕又够力量富丽公主湾Johor Princess Cove Princess Cove 哇，你整个 construction building project 要把整个 Johor 的细碎给从 left to the right 这样来 construct 哇，实在有够力耶China properties developers 而且已经建到现在只剩下 left only the right side 这边 this Marina Place Yacht the finishing construction okay I'm not going to go in still in building progress okay look okay look again at the sunrise golden sunrise means golden money okay let's go down to take a walk okay At the opera house, the music theatre will be inviting all the performing artists to perform in South Malaysia, Johor. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, downstairs have a cafe. Cafe already operate business, is it? Later. I already finished eating breakfast anyway. So let's go. Okay, I'm a little bit urgent. Where is the toilet? Because it's the mall open already. Menopause is very troublesome at 47 years old. Always you urgent urine. Good na. Toilet is thirsty. Selamat pagi. Morning. Morning. Okay, now the construction building progress of the Marina Yacht place is still going to be erected. I don't know how far the stories are going up. Okay, the toilet is very good. Okay. Is it using or not? Where are the lights are there? No lights. So dark, how to use? Where is the light? Light not even turned up. There's another one. Because it's still in building progress. It's not supposed to open up yet. Because Auntie Kim has experience with this is the lift, This is not the toilet, And how? Toilet has no light. How I use? Let's take a look. See? The interior of the shop premises. It's not premises. This is the music theatre, one of the shop. There's no light turned on yet in the toilet. Okay, never mind. Let's go down to the cafe area. The toilets must be able to use. This one actually not operating yet. With no lights being turned on. Okay, very good. Okay, let's go down to the basement cafe area to check out the cafe where they're operating and the toilets. This South Malaysia Johor Princess Cove property and RF Mall. It reminds me of Australia, Brisbane, one shopping mall which I visited at 21 years old, 26 years ago, is a bit similar this way, according to my memory. Okay, so let's take a look. I need a toilet. Menopause urgent urine symptoms. Okay, let's go. Okay, red dog. Okay, and then we have the Singapore flag and Malaysia flag. It says 繁华在在，安逸在右. Okay, 繁华在左，安逸在右. Meaning, okay, left side is prosperity Singapore. Okay, and then next door neighbor is 安逸 means easy, cozy, comfortable in next door neighbor Johor. Okay, it is very true. There's like so near Singapore over here. The C-Street in Johor. Such a good advertising slogan. See the Chinese construction worker humming with a song, going for work already. Now 7:40. 7:35. Okay, don't shoot. Okay, this is the sales gallery. That side. That side. Okay. Then the cafe. What is this? This office is what? Okay, it's the sales gallery management office, I guess. So, I need the toilet. So now looking down, I saw people. Little boy, where's the toilet?
Oh, alam.
Alam terima kasih bayar. Okay. The Starbucks cafe, young workers waiting for the cafe to open. See, the advertising, the property, okay? See, the property is selling at the minimum 30, not 30, 30万 is 1,506，就是300,000 300,000 Malaysian ringgit already can buy South Malaysia Johor Princess Cove R&F property condominium. Is it? 1 is 50 so you add 30, so 60, so 300. correct 1加5 6 1 2 1. Oh no, 1 is 40. 40 correct lah. 30万 300,000 Malaysian ringgit already can purchase a South Malaysia Johor property condominium. Okay. The highest story is 35 story. Oh my god. They go and see already ba. Then how I cross over then Can cross over or not? I hope I can just walk through this you know how I go and search for toilet. I think they go and search lah. Okay, I think that's about it because my menopause urine is very urgent. Supposed to go downstairs, go and shoot that leading to that end of the boardwalk. I think I settled my urgent urine of 47 years old menopause first. Okay, look. This is their sales management. Is it? I don't think so because they have the. No. This is not. This is sales gallery manager office, man. What is this? I hope the toilet is also downstairs. Sir, is there a toilet downstairs? Toilet.
Toilet sana. Downside.
Downstairs got toilet?
Downside.
Oh, okay, thank you. Here is very, very relaxing, regenerating, really very good purposes for retirement. So cheap. 300,000 ringgit equals to only Singapore dollars 100,000 only. Hello, Singapore PAP government. Come on, release all CPF. My CPF already exceeds, you know. Then you don't want to release us. You make me lose the chance to purchase a property my whole life, you know. I don't know what they want to do, you know. Don't want to release. What have to turn Malaysia citizen, obtain Malaysia passport, then can withdraw. Drag until what 55 years old ah. Hey, come on real estate prices always shot up ah. You think they wait for you ah? Oh, I don't know what Singapore PAP government CPF board doing with its policies, you know. Oh, very cocked up, you know. I'm bored, really. Let's look for the toilet. I hope the toilet is somewhere. No signage. Is there? I hope the toilet. You see? Because I already brought my own tumbler of coffee. Later go to the toilet. Toilet is there. You don't need cafe lah. You just bring your own brew bottle, tumbler of coffee. You stay whole day drink coffee until the hot afternoon coming also can. Later they go and sell the candy and babies over here. See toilet. See. So early the cleaners already washing toilet. So good. The toilet. See. Marble. Let's test it whether can flush same lah, so you just bring your own wet tissue. Okay. Just bring your own wet tissue wherever you go. Okay, wipe it. Wipe it and wipe it before you use lah. Okay, common sense right? Common sense general hygiene knowledge. Okay. Good lah. Toilet is so neat. If you feel it is not clean enough and you have tissue along, there's this spray. Okay. You can wash it. Wash it first with water. Spray with water. Okay. Too bad today didn't bring enough tissue. Never mind. Let's get a bit wet. Then my condo is just opposite street. Not opposite street. It's just above me. I can always drive myself. See? They haven't installed this. Okay, never mind. Let the construction workers do their job. Okay. Okay. Let's wash. No water yet. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. Is it no water yet? Impossible what? Just now there's water in the toilet. How you make this thing work? Okay. No water. No water to wash my hand? No problem. Use the water tap. Is very near. Let's continue shooting. That one is leading to the right side of the uh, South Malaysia, Johor, Princess Cove. This the boardwalk. The boardwalk supposed to lead to the rest of the whole of the property condominium project. Okay, let's see. Let's look here. Can you see? It says here. Okay, what? Sultan Charlie Sophia. Sultan Sophia Musical Theatre. But it's printed in Chinese. Here lah, got lah. Okay. But the Masuri Zaris Sophia Opera House, okay? Good. No. Marina Place, okay? Marina INF Place. Take a picture of it here. Ta da da da, ta da da da, ta da da da, ta ta. Haha. Now is early morning, 7 what is 7? Okay, let's take a look. The Lim Guan Eng. So Lim Guan Eng is Malaysia Finance Minister. Okay, Mr. Lim Guan Eng says Malaysia manufacturing industries last year 2018 first 9 months obtained foreign investment. It increased 250% to 488 billion ringgit. So in the future, next 2 to 3 years, we'll be creating 4,100,000 working vacancies. Okay. Then he says the new government of Malaysia is conducting all types of reforms, including asking for project submissions, reforming their tax policies, and submitting Malaysia government purchasing laws and the finance rules, regulations, laws, in order to raise up the foreign investors, industries players' confidence to invest in Malaysia. Currently, Malaysia and China have foreign relationships for 45 years. Lim Guan Eng says the rise of China is peaceful, and at the same time, China is conducting very good foreign policies, laws. Malaysia is accepting and respecting the both countries' friendship to develop and progress in the future years development. So then their Malaysia International Trade and Minister Wong Kian Ming is disclosing. Okay, manufacturing industry last year first 8 months can only attract 140 billion ringgit of foreign investments, but this year so far has increased to 488 billion ringgit. Okay, so Malaysia is still interested with China's One Belt One Road proposal. So is Malaysia confirms they will not lose out to Indonesia and Vietnam and neighboring countries in attracting foreign investments from other foreign countries. And then in the 10th International World Chinese Economic Conference, Malaysia is where the China envoy Tan Kok Wei is talking about the China One Belt One Road progress that they want to redevelop the whole international globe trade. So the people of both countries must progress with prosperity and growth. Okay, he said Malaysia from ancient times is the ancient sea straits Silk Road where the harbour ports, harbour ships are built and will have to pass through. So it is inheriting the ancient sea straits, sea Silk Road left behind遗产叫什么去了？惨了，有时候 translation 有点笨了。Okay, so have to develop peacefully and openly, learn from each other countries. So in order to have a win-win progress. Malaysia government already declared several times on international conference and leaders conference that Malaysia government will support and progress and take part with China's One Belt One Road proposals in order to bring in the whole Asia region's prosperity and growth